When you install your seat forward facing, you need to make sure that you're installing it in an upright position. If you've previously been using your seat rear facing, then you will already have the anti-rebound bar and the rear facing base on, and you'll need to remove them. To remove the anti-rebound bar, we've already got the cover off. You're going to remove the locking pin, which is just underneath. Oops. You look just like that, and then you're going to push the tab right up at the top of the anti-rebound bar and just let it come right down and out. To remove the base, you're going to pull down on this piece of plastic right down here, and you're going to push the base down towards the floor, and that will release the base right off of there. Once you have the base off, we're going to set the seat upright again, and then we're going to reach over, we're going to grab the recline handle, and we're going to shift the seat into the upright position. When you're using the seat forward facing, you can use either recline position 1 or recline position 2. Now you're ready to install your seat.